Hello guys, and welcome back to the Azure Files with OnDemand. Thank you so much for the enormous response we're getting from our emails coming in.
Because of those mails, that's why we're still here. Thank you guys. Keep them flowing. Keep us casing, keep us working.
I think let's just get straight into the dress code for today.
Oh.
So, hello Mario.
That is so not a plumber, dude.
I'm not Luigi today.
Apparently not. No, so the reason why I'm doing the Mario is Nintendo, please speak to Microsoft. Could you please release Odyssey on Xbox One? Because even Superman can't sort that stuff out.
Yes, okay, so today I chose Superman. Well, I just did. There's no reason for it. And the reality is that I'm not Superman today, for anyone wondering. But we have never been seen in the same room together. So I'm just going to leave that there.
I smell the cheese, but I'm going to keep quiet.
It is quite cheesy. All right, guys, so I think let's get straight into our question of the week.
All right, so Elaine in East London says she loves everything the cloud has to offer, especially when it comes to scalability and elasticity. But being a bit of a control freak, sounds like a manager, right?
Yeah, she must be a manager.
So nice presenting on the show. And a sanity check. How can she check the resource utilizations on individual resources in her environment?
So this is an awesome question. Thank you. This has been an amazing question because we've answered this quite a few times and now we actually get to do it to our channel and our viewers. So let's talk about the tagging.
All right.
So first of all, in Azure, you get things called resource tags. And for many people that don't know what those tags are, what the purpose of those tags are, it essentially allows you to utilize a tag and apply it to a single granular resource in Azure. So most people or most partners of ours have one Azure portal or one Azure tenant where they put multiple customer resources in one tenant, and essentially we can group those with resource tags and then essentially also monitor them with those tags.
So let me break it down. So let's pretend a resource group is a box of Smarties full of Smarties. What a tag does is you label every Smartie in the box and you can know exactly what every Smartie is doing and where every Smartie goes.
Now, should you have a customer or should you use you'd have one person using multiple Smarties within the box, you are now able to, on your billing report, pull all the list of Smarties that are coming through. So let's put this into like a reality check. What this does is, through our ODIN billing platform, we can actually go filter by tags and it will pull the Azure resources that come through for that specific tag. So if you had customer A and customer B and you labeled all of customer A's resources with a tag called customer A, in ODIN, you could go and filter customer A tags and it will pull all the customer tags resources together. And you'd be able to see that's exactly what customer A is using and not what customer B is using. So you know who to bill.
And that, at the moment, from what I understand, we're the only guys who can do that.
For now. Let's keep it that way. Yeah, I think our innovation team behind ODIN is definitely driving that. So we are doing it through our ODIN platform and it's been phenomenal. We've done a lot of extensive testing and we've done a lot of, our dev guys have been working around the clock. Crazy, mad hours, but we finally got it right. And today we can do that via resource tags. Moving on to our geeky fact of the week.
All right, so as Matt mentioned, ODIN. So ODIN used to be, or is from he's a Norse god. I don't know if I've said that right?
Germanic, Norse, yeah.
Where'd you get Germanic from?
I read it, okay.
Okay. And he was known as wisdom, healing, and gallons of knowledge. Just like the ODIN platform has gallons of knowledge on your Azure tenant, which is why we can use a tag.
It's a database. But yeah, gallon of knowledge, it's cool. I think we can work with that.
Okay.
All right, cool.
Database.
So is that our geeky fact for the week?
That sounds like it.
Okay, so if you didn't know, now you do. Thank you for joining us, guys. Please keep those emails and questions coming in.
Please do.
It really has been great so far. We really want to hear more from you and throw some of your most technical questions at us because we'd like to give them an attempt. Don't forget to subscribe.